Hello, and today we're gonna talk about thermal and optical properties of materials. Next. Introduction. In material science, understanding thermal and optical properties is important because the properties might come in handy to your daily life and how they work and why does it help you. These responses directly affect how heat transfer works, light interaction, and ECE application. Next. What is What is thermal and optical properties? Thermal properties indicate how materials respond to heat, conductivity, expansion, and specific heat, affecting energy transfer, while optical properties define interactions with light, reflection, absorption, refraction, transmission, and determining transparency or color. Next. What is the good thermal and optical properties of material? High thermal conductivity of heat, dissipation or low conductivity or insulation along with low thermal expansion and heat capacity for stability. And in optical properties, it include control, reflectivity, high transmittance, or specific absorption, often recurring high spectral selectivity, and etc., absorbing UV while transmitting visible light. Next. Mater- Materials needed on thermal and optical properties of materials. Number 1. Metals, aluminum or silver. Number 2. Glass, glass or silica. Number 3. Polymers. And lastly, it's ceramic. Metals, aluminum and silver. Aluminum is a lightweight, silvery white, and highly corrosion-resistant metal. Silver is a soft white lustrous transition metal with the atomic number 47 and symbol Ag, derived from the Latin argumentum. Next. Glass or silica. Glass is an amorphous non-crystalline solid formed when silica is melted and rapidly cooled, lacking the rigid, ordered structure of crystalline. Next. Polymers. A polymer is a large molecule or macromolecule composed of a long chains of repeating smaller units, monomers, linked together through a process called polymerization. Next. Ceramics. Inorganic, non-metallic solids shaped and hardened by high temperature firing, typically made from clay, earthen materials, or powdered. Next. In the field of thermal and optical properties of materials, define how substances interact with heat and light, encompassing thermal conductivity, capacity, expansion, absorption, reflectance, and transmittance. And this is the conclusion. In conclusion, the lesson that I present to you is thermal and optical properties of material is really needed in our daily life. Personal thought that should be said by anyone in the world because it helps us in our everyday life. It gives us a properties that we need to work and other stuff. It also helps others to create their own clay pots because of ceramic properties. That's it. That's it. Thank you. Yes.